So if you guys want to detox, this is what you do. You get fresh coconuts and you get your glass bottles. We're going to fill these all up, stick them in the fridge, and we're going to take them to the spa tomorrow when we get strong sunshine and lots of steam room and sauna.
Okay, do it super fast, super fast, super fast. This is inside. How much does one Bali coconut have? It's actually quite interesting to know. This is so good. And then we put it in the fridge to make it cool. And then when we're in the sauna, we make sure to drink it cool as well. Because when you drink cool, not only does it cool down the body and creates more like hydrating effect, but it also pulls lymph.